Jalapeno poppers, probably my favourite barbecue side dish, and in this video we're going to show you how to do them. Alright, so these are super quick and easy. All you need is some streaky bacon rushes, some green jalapenos, your favourite smoking wood, we're using some cherry today, some toothpicks to hold the bacon on, I've got a teaspoon just to scrape the seeds out, obviously a sharp knife to cut them in half. We're going to use a snap lock bag to make a little mini piping bag just to pipe our cheese in there to make it a bit easier. And then we're going to be using some sweet chili Philly, but you can go ahead and use your favourite cheese. So we'll get started by cutting the jalapenos in half and scraping the seeds out. Alright, so now our jalapenos are cut in half and the seeds are out. I've just spooned some of our cream cheese into the snap lock bag and we've snipped the corner off just to make it a bit easier to pipe our cheese into the jalapenos. So now we'll go ahead and fill our jalapenos with the cheese and we'll wrap them up in some bacon. Alright, so these are now ready for the smoker. I'm going to be using the Oklahoma Joe's Rambler today. We're going to set it up to run at about 250 to 275 Fahrenheit. They're going to take about half an hour to 45 minutes. What we're going to be looking for is the bacon to have crisped up and the jalapenos to have softened slightly and that cheese to have coloured up nicely too. So we'll get them in the smoker and we'll come back in about half an hour 45. Alright, so the poppers are done. It was about a 40-minute cook time in total. Just have a look at them. We'll have a quick taste. So we'll remove the toothpick. Man, they're so good. They're the perfect side dish or snack. They're so easy to make. You can get creative too. You can put some sausage or some leftover pulled meat through the cheese. You can use different cheeses like ricotta or a different cream cheese. You can wrap them in prosciutto. So many different variations you can use to make some awesome jalapeno poppers. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time. Cheers.